Motivation is what drives us to take action. It is the reason behind everything we do. But what exactly is motivation, and how does it work? Motivation comes from two main sources. The first is called intrinsic motivation. This means doing something because you enjoy it or find it interesting. For example, reading a book because you love the story, or practicing a sport because it makes you feel good. Intrinsic motivation comes from inside you. The second source is extrinsic motivation. This means doing something to get a reward or avoid a punishment. For example, studying to get good grades or working hard to earn money. Extrinsic motivation comes from outside influences. Both types of motivation are important. Sometimes we need external rewards to push us forward. Other times our inner desires guide us. Scientists study motivation to understand how to help people achieve their goals. One important idea is the concept of needs. People have different needs that motivate their behavior. According to psychologist Abraham Maslow, these needs are arranged in a hierarchy. At the bottom are basic needs like food, water, and safety. When these needs are met, people focus on higher needs like friendship, respect, and self-improvement. Another important theory is called the self-determination theory. It says that motivation is strongest when three basic psychological needs are satisfied. These are autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Autonomy means feeling in control of your own actions. Competence means feeling skilled and capable. Relatedness means feeling connected to others. When these needs are met, people feel motivated and perform better. Motivation also depends on how people set their goals. Clear, challenging, but achievable goals lead to higher motivation. When goals are too easy or too hard, motivation decreases. Feedback is also important. Positive feedback encourages people to keep trying. Negative feedback can sometimes reduce motivation, but it can also help if given in a supportive way. Finally, motivation is not constant. It can change every day or even every hour. Understanding the science of motivation can help us find ways to stay motivated in work, school, and life. In summary, motivation is a complex process influenced by internal desires, external rewards, basic human needs, goal setting, and feedback. By learning how motivation works, we can improve our habits, reach our goals, and live better lives.